When someone becomes seriously ill, incapacitated, or dies, families are often left to figure out what they need to do. With incomplete information, they're often short on time, under pressure, and confused. That confusion is rarely caused by a lack of planning. It's caused by information that was never gathered, explained, or organized in a way someone else could actually use. Fortunately, Buried in Works ClearKit can help. The ClearKit is a guided estate organization system that brings your important estate and end-of-life information, documents, and instructions together in a clear, structured format and shows your family or executor how to use them. Created by an attorney, the ClearKit is both comprehensive and easy to use. Thoughtfully manufactured with close attention to detail, the ClearKit is not an off-the-shelf product. Personalized with each recipient's name, every ClearKit includes a locking, fire and water-resistant storage case, 3 premium quality, topic-specific binders, and 59 clearly guided sections. Every section is built to guide you through what matters at your pace without overwhelming you or assuming you already know what you're doing. Every ClearKit also includes a Getting Started booklet to help you begin without feeling overwhelmed, 3 Where to Find My ClearKit notification cards to ensure others know what your ClearKit is and where to find it, and even a USB drive with digital fillable PDFs that allow you to update your ClearKit without additional cost. You'll also receive a secure key storage system and an executor's summary report to provide the most critical information about your estate and end-of-life wishes to those who need it. Lastly, the ClearKit connects to an expanding online resource library with more than 150 information hubs that include checklists, articles, facts, and templates. This keeps your ClearKit connected and up to date over time. While the ClearKit doesn't create your legal documents like a will or a trust, it will help you organize your estate and end-of-life information. It will help you identify what might be missing and connects you to Buried in Works service provider directories when professional help is needed. That way, your planning is informed, complete, and supported by the right expertise today, tomorrow, and in the future. There's a reason families and professionals across the country rely on the ClearKit. It's because it works when it actually matters.